Previously on Two Texans Travel, we visit Olympic National Park and take an epic drive to the tip of America.
Good morning. We are heading to Forks, Washington, home of Twilight. We are traveling like an hour and a half because we are dumb. We are going to have a great time in Forks, and somebody is shaking the trailer because he just removed the stabilizing jacks, so it's all shaky and bouncy in here. Bathroom's cleaned up. Money. What's up, my money? Headed to Forks.
Pretty water when the sun hits it. Although we stuck the GoPro in it and it's not as clear as Box Canyon.
Ooh, Box Canyon was awesome. That is Lake Crescent. Got some pretty fall foliage here. Foliage.
I'm a big rig.
It's a big rig driver today.
Got the trailer on the 101, son.
We have made it to Forks, Washington, where Twilight is based. It's very exciting. There are vampire tree lines and all kinds of fun stuff around here. So we're going to check out the town of Forks right now. See if they have groceries. Do vampires have groceries? I don't know. But that's what we're doing. Welcome to the town of Forks, folks.
What? Those are Twilight people. Is that the Twilight Museum? Oh.
Whoa.
Sorry.
Jesus.
Sorry. Did you see the Valdori in the window?
Yes, Volturi. That was funny because I was trying to video what you showed me and it was incredibly ridiculous.
There's a college there. Was that college in Twilight?
No, they were in high school.
Where is their high school?
I don't know.
Does it look like Twilight to you?
No, not at all.
Really? Huh.
In 1,000 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
Well, as is tradition, we are going to the grocery store in town. There's the Forks 101 RV Park.
Right across.
Thank goodness we picked ours.
I like ours.
Love ours.
You've arrived.
It's got everything you would need.
Including a bus stop. All we need is water and pizza, right? And we'll
Pretty
get some
much.
other stuff too. Guess who gets to wait in the truck?
Hi,
This
Skipper.
little guy gets to wait in the truck all day.
Skipper.
Can you even see
You
through
can't even
the-
see that garbage. Is there a person in the way?
No, it's just other signs.
This is the one that wasn't good, Sam. That's right. It's good though.
Yeah, it is good. How are we supposed to get in if the gate's locked?
I think it actually doesn't look it.
Oh, they have a gate.
She did not mention the gate. Look on the paperwork, but new campground every single day. Yes, I got a new beanie. That's why I have a tag on it. You couldn't even see it.
What?
Got it at the Forks Outfitters. We're headed to the beach, can you tell? Bundled up. It's cold. It's so cold and the wind is so cold. But we're going to Rialto Beach here in, well, it's outside of Forks,
It's
Washington.
Forks. Twilight.
Twilightville. Hell yeah. So we will show you this beautiful beach on the Pacific side. We were on the Strait for a while and now we're on the Pacific. So we're super excited to see what it looks like. Man. Windshield is just, you can't even see. It's just
Whatever.
freaking terrible. Those trees.
Oh, I see smoke.
Where is it? Where is it? It's a big one right there. Wow.
Ooh, there's gonna be some cliffs and stuff.
Yes.
Oh, look at that. That looks
Wow.
cool.
Blinding.
Sunglasses, jeez.
Very blinding.
Wow.
This is like one of the most visited or sought after beaches in Washington, Rialto Beach.
How many beaches are in Washington?
No idea.
Oh, cool.
Wow. Dang. Oh my gosh, I can't see anything. Can't see.
Get it?
No, I don't know. I can't see the sun.
Stick it out the window, or you want me to get it?
I got it.
Okay.
Perfect. Thanks. Whoa! People! Holy crap.
We've made it to Rialto Beach. Let's go check it out, y'all.
Wish I had sunglasses.
Yeah, I had to bust out the sunglasses.
Right?
Wow. It's tough, man. What's happening?
We're walking to the beach. Bundle up.
I had to put on a second jacket. I can't see. Which way do we go?
I think it's straight.
Oh, cool, man. This is cool. Making our way out to the beach. Oh, I see it. I see some water. Oh, cool. But cool, it's real sunny. You probably can't see much, but we're just gonna go check out the area. It's not as cold.
It's alright.
It's pretty cold. All right, we'll check in later. What did we just do?
We just did a photo shoot on the beach using our tripod, using that tree and that sun. It's gone. And it was a lot of fun. At least I had fun. The whole fam was involved.
It was fun.
Beautiful sunset.
And we're headed back to the truck. It's not as cold as it was in the beginning. We probably just got used to it.
And the wind died down.
The wind died down,
Because
yeah.
like, it's not even windy right now. It's crazy. Because it was really windy when we arrived. But
Really cool. Rialto Beach
yes.
in September.
Yes.
Late September. Almost October.
We have these like rocks. It's a little hazy, so it's kind of hard to see them, but mean, you can see them, but they're just not super clear.
Tell you what looks cool is you're silhouetted behind the sunset.
Yeah! Yeah, this is a cool beach. With all the driftwood, like crazy huge trees. Neat.
Yep.
We are going back to the camper. Going to watch some Mission Impossible 5?
Yep.
Is that what we're on? Okay.
Yep.
And eat some popcorn. Sounds like a good night, doesn't it? Typical Monday.
Liam Bryant, sir. He says it's urgent.
Mission should you choose to accept it is to bring me the unlocked disc by midnight tonight. I'll say words, please. I accept.
That was weird.
Recording that.
Did you get my puff jacket? Oh!
Yes, I did.
Oh yeah.
Furnace is off. What else do you think?
Yeah, we need to hit the road, that's what.
Boys, we got. Because last time I forgot it. I'm sitting down this time. Put my shoes on. That's right. Freaking lazy. Don't mess up. Don't mess up. Don't mess up.
Oh, nice.
Somebody coming in next to us?
Tundra. No, they're leaving.
Ooh. Alright.
Let's do this, mug! Yeah, I got it.
Everything's off. Furnace is off.
Wait. Okay, yeah, I got it.
We are going to the rainforest today. Rainforest. Gonna be fun. This dog had a bundled double jacket. Dude, it's not even cold out here right now. Not even cold. You're probably hot in there.
Goodbye, RV park. For now, just kidding. Going to the rainforest. And we have a woman driver. Oh! God, I hate my face. Take a left. We're going to see some vampires today.
Turn left.
Non-vampires. Vampires. Here we go. Ooh, no marijuana.
Hi.
Good morning, how you doing today?
Good. How are you?
Doing okay. Using a perk map all today?
Yes, please.
Alright. There you go.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Have a good time.
We will. Thanks.
What are we looking for?
We are looking for the Hall of Mosses Trail.
Nice.
Your destination is on the left.
Thank you. There's all the people. Let's find some parking. Let's find some parking. There's one.
The Hall of Moss has got to be. Oh, can I fit?
Yeah, you got it. Good.
We are in the rainforest. We will be doing this one. Not that one.
We're going to eat lunch. We're going to eat lunch in a rainforest. In a rainforest. Check it.
All to ourselves.
Is that the one with 3? Better be. Ooh. You got different cheese? I always complain about our lunches and then I eat them and I'm like, it's good. We're doing it, Harry. We're in the rainforest. Oh! No. Oh, there was little birds.
Oh, cool.
We're gonna do hollow mosses.
Right now, yes, and then we'll do
Spruce.
Not all rainforests are tropical. The temperate rainforests in the Pacific Northwest get tons of rain, like 12 to 14 feet a year, and have moderate temps in that they usually don't freeze and rarely get above 80 degrees. The rainforest is lush with large old trees, many of which are hundreds of years old and 250 feet tall. Epiphytes, or plants that grow on other plants, are plentiful. Plants like mosses, ferns, lichens give off that jungly vibe. The Hoh Rainforest is one of 4 on the Olympic Peninsula where you can witness this unique habitat.
Look at this tree. I don't even know if you can tell by the scale. Fern Gully. Big, man. It's soft too. So I don't know if you can see, there's these other trees growing on top of dead tree. All up and down, those 2 big ones right there. All growing out of this dead stump.
Oh yeah, so there was one tree that probably fell over and then all these things grew on top of it.
Total snake. Oh, it's colorful. Oh, it just disappeared. It was right on our trail. Snake. Cool, man. Did you see it?
No.
Or you want me to do that again? Hurry. Whoa, this is the one we're supposed to pace. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 70. 70 times 2, 140 feet. Dang, I was way off.
What did you say? Oh, it's like
150. Oh, we just finished it.
Up next on Two Texans Travel, we finish our rainforest hike and get held on at the beach.
Well, it was just cheers.
cheers.
Like and subscribe.
Damn it.
Don't say damn it, you can still use it.
Okay, try.
You know what we should do, kind of on a regular basis, probably? Just Windex these windows.
Yep.
You know, like once a week.
Yep. We should. We really need to clean them because it is not looking good in Speed Finder.
Well, that's just your face. But
Oopsie. We have made it to Forks, Washington, where Twilight is from. We have made it to Forks, Washington.
we just do?
We just did, ask me again.
What did we just do?
We just did a photo shoot on the beach
Hold on.
using our tripod. Again,
What did we just do?
we just did a photo shoot on the beach.
Late September. Like
Yeah.
almost October.
Yeah.
October. Almost October. Sweet, I can't hold it straight, but
It's alright.
whatever. I bet we get some good B-roll.
Cool. Okay. Shut her down. Here, go.
Ooh. Hey, did you clean the lens?
No,
Ooh. Okay. With what?
I have a white
Okay. Close up on the old eyeball.
We got a dirty lens and a dirty windshield. Does that make for great video content?
Hell yeah, makes her some good B-roll. Ooh, we already did this in the video.
So show your license to everybody.
Oh shit. Keep it from on the emergency brake.
Yes, we know.
Thank you for finding
Yes, we know. We know. We know. You're not allowed, Skipper.
Like so manicured. This is freaking scary. Oh, hey. Ooh, we almost missed this. Cool, so the trail hadn't even started yet. This reminds me of Darnassus. Do you know what Darnassus is?
Yeah.
Yes. 9 elves.